You wake up and realize your life is smaller than your potential. Every day you repeat weak habits, trading your future for the cheapest form of comfort. The gap between who you are and who you must become is your delta of discipline. Your weaker self whispers, tomorrow, later, maybe. That voice is your greatest enemy. Every second you wait, the gap grows wider. The cost is not money, it's the years you waste. Success isn't a giant leap. It's small, surgical moves made today, right now. Decisions, discipline, delta. This is how true, irreversible transformation begins. This channel shows exactly how high-performing men conquer their delta daily, without the noise. Most men stay stuck, too afraid to confront the truth that their mediocrity is a choice. Comfort is the enemy. Excuses are chains, and you must break them. Only those willing to embrace the surgical struggle, the daily grind, will rise to meet their future self. I call it the Delta system. Small moves, massive results, and zero negotiation with the weak self. Look at John. 6 months ago, he was stuck. He implemented his Delta. Now, his six-figure business is the side effect of surgical discipline. It's not luck. It's the ruthless, surgical architecture of a self-built life. This is your mirror. Who you are versus who you could be. The choice is yours. Reinforce the three pillars: mindset and conflict, wealth and strategy, performance and descent. The Delta waits for no man. If you want the exact tactics, this is the channel. Don't wait for motivation. You will commit to transformation. You will start now. Subscribe to begin. Your new chapter starts today. Close the Delta.